Join me in the studio for this exciting watercolour workshop. This has probably got to be one of the Lake District's most iconic landscape scenes. It has been photographed and painted countless times and crops up in virtually every magazine, website or book even remotely linked to the Lake District. Which is why you should definitely have a go at painting it. But why go the usual route and paint it with the predictable pretty blue sky? After all, this is the Lake District. It rains here a lot. An awful lot actually. So that's why in this workshop I'm going to show you some fantastic techniques to paint not only stormy skies and majestic mountains, but also some creative ways to portray the famous Lake District weather. Changing the weather is just one way that you can add a unique twist to a scene that has been painted to death and make it your own. Here's how you do that in style. This workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access to this fantastic video on demand watercolour workshop today for just £25. I'll see you in the studio.